From the edge of the jungle, we get our first glimpse of the vast ocean. The waves sparkle under the sunlight, creating a mesmerizing view. As the camera moves closer, you can hear the gentle sound of the waves crashing against the shore, a sound that soothes the soul. A small boat appears, gliding peacefully across the calm water. Its slow movement matches the relaxing rhythm of the ocean. The endless blue of the sea stretches far into the horizon, giving a sense of freedom and peace. In the distance, another boat comes into view, adding life to this serene scene. The ocean feels alive yet calm, reminding us of its power and beauty. Each moment feels like a reminder to pause, breathe, and appreciate the natural wonders around us.